Integrated design. The YUCHIP EcoEdge LED display integrates the power supply and controller within the cabinet, with hidden wiring for a clean, outdoor-friendly appearance. Convenient maintenance. YUCHIP EcoEdge LED display modules support both front and rear maintenance for easy daily upkeep and repairs. The modules are hard-linked to the cabinet for easy installation. The LED module features an aluminum base housing, ensuring efficient heat dissipation and superior fire resistance, enhancing both performance and safety. Each module is equipped with a protective rope to ensure safety and stability during use and maintenance. Durability. The module mask of the YUCHIP EcoEdge LED display is slightly raised, ensuring it doesn't affect the display quality while effectively protecting the LEDs, enhancing the product's durability. Flexible installation. The YUCHIP EcoEdge LED display supports 90 curved angle installation, offering flexible designs that suit various installation scenarios and enhance visual effects. High brightness. The cabinet of the YUCHIP EcoEdge LED display boasts a brightness of up to 6,000 to 10,000 nits, ensuring clear visibility even in direct sunlight, making it perfect for outdoor environments.